Are you looking for the perfect drone to introduce your kids to the exciting world of flight? We've got you covered. In this video, we'll review the top 5 drones for kids in 2024, from beginner-friendly models to more advanced options. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Ryze Tello. This drone benefits from tech developed by DJI, offering a solid experience for its price. Its built-in camera delivers 5-megapixel stills and 720p video, decent for casual fun, but not for high-quality cinematics. While previous versions included educational or themed options like the Iron Man edition, those are no longer available. Tello's highlight is its compatibility with Scratch, a visual programming tool that lets users code and control the drone. Historically popular in STEM education, this feature seems to be winding down. Despite an unchanged airframe since 2018, software updates keep the app relevant, and third-party apps offer features like panoramic shots. Given DJI's upcoming lightweight drone release, Tello's low price might be its biggest appeal in late 2024. Number 2. DJI Mini 2 SE. The updated DJI Mini SE isn't a toy. It's a sub-250-gram drone, exempt from registration in many regions like the USA, China, the EU, and the UK. Ideal for older kids or adults, it shares key features with professional drones, including a flight time of around 30 minutes and 2.7K video recording. It also captures 4,000 by 3,000 pixel JPEGs, storing them on a microSD card. The stabilized camera ensures smooth footage, rivaling many smartphone cameras. While the latest edition replaces the older controller with a stronger, more robust model, it's otherwise unchanged. For those considering a more serious upgrade, the DJI Mini 4K offers 4K video for a bit more, making it a stronger choice for adult users or content creators. Number 3. HolyStone HS210. While drones like this don't offer long flights, they're compact, robust, and lightweight. The design includes funnels around the propellers, acting as protective guards, which drone enthusiasts might call a whoop. Flying is simple and fun, especially once you get the hang of swapping battery packs. Though the batteries feel flimsy due to their lightweight design, they allow for longer flights. The drone's control system is similar to higher-end models, capable of hovering and featuring a headless mode, which some find easier for navigating. The controller resembles a small console gamepad, making it user-friendly. Crashes won't cause much damage due to its light momentum, and prop replacements are included. Flight time is about 7 minutes per battery, with 2 batteries in the box, giving roughly 14 minutes total. Number 4. BetaFpv FPV Cetus Kit. For a relatively small investment compared to other FPV gear, this kit provides everything needed to get flying: goggles, a controller, and a drone. While it may lack certain features die-hard FPV hobbyists consider essential, it's perfect for older kids or even dads eager to experience the thrill of piloting a micro-drone through goggles. Key functionality is included, such as using the controller with drone simulators while the battery charges. Surprisingly, some aspects outshine enthusiast gear. The drone is lightweight, so crashes aren't too damaging, and it even features a hover sensor, rare in FPV drones. However, its lightweight makes it vulnerable to wind outdoors. Plus, flying with a spotter is essential for safety, offering a fun bonding experience for parents and kids while staying within aviation regulations. Number 5. HolyStone HS210. Compact and stylish, this 151-gram drone is ideal for kids, with its lightweight design reducing potential harm if it goes out of control. It's well below the 250-gram registration limit, making it a clear toy. HolyStone recommends it for ages 13 and up, but younger kids with patience could handle it too. The app provides a good range of controls and fun features, like gesture-based photo capture. The robust, if somewhat plasticky, controller offers decent performance, though it lacks the responsiveness of higher-end models like DJI's. For windy days, use the faster flight modes to counteract the breeze. Despite its low price, the camera performs surprisingly well. So, which drone is the best for kids in 2024? After careful consideration, we believe the DJI Mini 2 SE is the winner. Its combination of durability, ease of use, and impressive features makes it the ideal choice for young pilots. Happy flying!